What happens when Pursuit builds a center console and refuses to compromise on anything? Not fishing performance, not comfort, not build quality. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown of the Pursuit S358. Specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against the competition. The S358 runs on twin Yamaha 450 XTO outboards as standard equipment. Wide open throttle delivers 51.5 miles per hour. Cruise at 4,000 RPM and you're running 31.8 miles per hour with a range of approximately 265 nautical miles on a 343-gallon fuel tank. That range is the differentiator. You can run 40 miles offshore for a morning fishing session and return without calculating fuel margins, or make the crossing to Bimini without stopping. At 37 feet 4 inches overall with an 11-foot 4-inch beam, this boat is operator-friendly at the dock and capable on open water. The cockpit is built around Pursuit's split mezzanine system. Fold the seats flat against the console when you're fishing, flip them out for entertaining, and you get a grill, sink, refrigerator, and cutting board between them. Forward, the bow seating features electric backrests and a motorized table that adjusts from coffee table to dining height. The helm provides excellent visibility through a full beam hardtop with tempered glass windshield. Below deck, the S358 carries a settee that converts to a berth for overnight use. The private head includes a vacuum flush porcelain marine toilet, pull-out sink sprayer, and shower with a 10-gallon holding tank. There's a 28-inch TV and functional headroom built for overnight trips and Bahamas runs, not just day use. The build quality sets Pursuit apart. A 27-layer resin-infused composite transom, hand-laid fiberglass with vinyl ester resin, engineering that translates to longevity in a dry, controlled ride in 3 to 4 foot seas. The 5-year structural warranty reflects a manufacturer that builds for the long term. The starboard hull side door with telescoping ladder simplifies boarding from docks or when swimming. The S358 runs in a class with the Boston Whaler 350 Realm, Grady White Canyon 376, Yellowfin 36, Cobia 350cc, and Everglades 365cc. The enclosed head and functional overnight cabin set it apart. Most competitors offer day-use center consoles without a true private head and berth. The twin 450 XTO configuration also leaves more usable swim platform space than triple outboard setups, while maintaining comparable speed and range. Bottom line, the S358 is the center console that delivers serious fishing capability and genuine overnight cruising comfort in one package. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. See you on the next one.